Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. I just came to Chennai late night, so I'm just too tired. So that's why I decided to do only audio podcast. From today evening, so we will start our usual videos. Asian markets are higher. China is reportedly uh, offering some help for the companies that are affected by Trump tariff. So targeted help. US futures are slightly down, but the US markets have shot up significantly last 2 or 3 trading sessions. And the GIFT Nifty indicating about 100 point gap up. Why? The answer was simple. The Friday markets were sold into mainly due to the Indo-Pak warfare. So Saturday and Sunday, 2 days, there is no bad news. So there is no escalation at the border level. So therefore, GIFT Nifty is higher by about 100 point and trying to recover. So whatever it has lost on Friday. And another thing, so despite such a bad news, the fear of war, the FIAs and DAs both were net buyers. But DA net buyers is okay, but the FIAs buying for about 3,000 crores. So that shows that, the Indian government is not likely to take any drastic measure. And of course, the measures which has already been taken, so they are, questionable decisions, stopping the water supply to Pakistan, when like terrorists have done something wrong, so the terrorists have to be punished. Why the poor farmers of Pakistan have to be punished because of this? So there are already some news coming, people who are like critically ill. There is a heart operation scheduled for next week. So they were asked to leave India. So, so these are the things, will actually help the Pakistan government to get the sympathy opinion. So anyway, let us not go into politics. We'll come back to markets. So markets will be reacting to Reliance results. And this week, there is some Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv results are there, but both stocks have already shot up like anything. I think both stocks are trading 52-week high. Then on Saturday, Kotak Bank and State Bank of India. So this Thursday is a holiday. So we have only 3 more trading sessions for this week. So things are likely to consolidate. And as long as there is no border escalation, that Nifty might try to recover what it has lost in the last 1 or 2 trading sessions. So keep watching the recent high. So if the recent high is taken out, then the next target is 24,800, the ultimate target. As I told you yesterday, it's going to be between 23,800 and 24,800, but option premiums are too lucrative. Even far out of the money options are trading at a good premium, and because of the fear that anytime war can break out. But in my opinion, I've already given my opinion on Saturday. So the possibility of war is very, very, very low. America is not supporting us. Trump even refused to condemn this terrorist attack. So Trump says, India is my friend, but Pakistan is also my friend. All these things make things more complicated. So in my opinion, there might be some limited attack, just like what happened last time, the surgical strike. So this and that. But then anyway, Pakistan will be on a high alert and be prepared for any such thing. So therefore, it makes sense for India to wait for some more time. So before taking any decision, so that you should be attacking enemy when enemy is least expecting you, not when enemy is expecting you to attack. So that's not the war game. So therefore, this fear of war might continue for another 1 or 2 weeks. If nothing happens during the next 2 to 3 weeks, then the markets will start factoring in no war situation. So today, because of this FIA buying, so the market is opening gap up. We need to see whether the gap up is sustainable or not. But I think it will be sustainable, right? In fact, Friday daytime itself, markets have recovered a lot from the low, but during the last 1 hour there was some selling. So whatever that last 1 hour selling has happened, only that is being recovered now. If you go by the GIFT Nifty indication. So therefore, the possibility of market, it's though Nifty actually closed below 24,000, but because of weighted average, it is showing Nifty close above 24,000. So it's very important for Nifty to sustain above 24,000. So for the rally to resume in near future. And after that, these corporate results will come into the picture. And major results are over. The HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Reliance. So these three are the major companies together, which has about 27% weightage in Nifty. So now other smaller companies will be coming out with results. And US also, 4 out of 7 Magnificent 7 companies will set to declare results. Roughly about 20% of S&P 500 companies will also be declaring results this week. So this time, rather than the economic data or, Indo-Pak escalation of things at the border, corporate results will be taking the center stage. Maruti result was not really very good. So now today TVS Motor results will be coming. So auto sector will be in focus today. So the Bank Nifty has corrected decently. I think from the recent high to recent low, I think Bank Nifty has lost about 2,000 points. So, if Bank Nifty recovers that 2,000 point, then the Nifty can easily scale up to 24,800. So let us see what is going to happen. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.